Bird Bros!
The Bird Bros!
Boom! Epic music. We're off to a good start. We're here in Essex, Ontario.
Back at it again. We're just out birding. There's a road with a bridge with birds and water.
Epic!
Great blue heron.
And a great white egret.
Whoa!
That's sweet, John. Check that out.
Cool!
Look how close they are together. Both these birds feed in fresh water and salt water.
The great white egret and blue heron are like a foot away from each other.
Sean's on his way.
Did you know the great blue heron's the largest heron in North America? With a wingspan of 6 meters?
Whoa, the great egret's just slightly smaller than that. All the feathers on an egret are white. All of them.
Mm-hmm.
The green patch that can be seen on some of their faces is part of the bill. In 2 wing flaps, these birds can reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers.
Everybody poops. These are non-breeding plumage dunlins!
Look at their slightly drooping bills. Those dunlins there, they'll sometimes migrate to East Asia if they're living in Alaska at the time. Dunlins derived from the words dull brown. They have a slightly drooping bill.
Killdeer. This is a killdeer.
Oh shit, they make the sound killdeer.
They don't actually like kill deer. That'd be a pretty epic video though.
Yeah, send us one if you got it.
The dunlins also have black legs. Kind of matches their beak.
Oh, doesn't like those birds.
Oh, they saw the bald eagle. Scared them away.
Oh, that bald eagle right there?
That juvenile bald eagle scared those shorebirds away.
You can tell it's a juvenile because of its lack of white feathers on its head and tail.
Kind of looks like the plumage of a hawk.
Doves for Dove Master. They're all basically rock pigeons. Some goats, some chickens, some weird looking turkeys.
Yeah.
That one looks like it has a horn.
Some domestic geese of sorts.
I wonder if they use that lump on their head to make sounds. Does anyone know?
It's like a tuba.
It's not a tuba. Oh, look, it's a llama. Llamas were domesticated like 4,000 to 5,000 years ago.
They have 3 stomachs. Pack animals. I don't know what that word is.
Have you noticed we don't say that or anything else?
They're easy to train.
What an ass. Donkey!
Donkeys are also pack animals. Both llamas and donkeys can be used to guard herds.
So we're on a March Boardwalk trail. Tons of blackbirds,
Tons of blackbirds. Look at that.
but nothing too exciting at the moment.
Yep.
A few bugs though.
Hundreds of thousands of
I'm gonna keep moving.
friggin' insects.
Oh, there's a black-crowned night heron. They hang out in all over North America, right down to almost South America.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a night heron. Oh, turkey's on the road. Alright, just drive up the first.
Now shall defeat them with the turkey's natural enemy, the horn.
Yeah, you see a lot of turkeys around. You call them males toms.
Turkeys, wild turkeys. Oh look, a loner over there.
excellent balance. Bird Bros. Hello! We're the Bird Bros, and we are here at Rondo Provincial Park. Where so far, we have not seen any birds. So here we are at Rondo.
We don't need no lifeguards. Forgot my bathing suit. Darn it all.
What you see there, Sean? Is that the Sanderling?
Yep. Sanderling!
Oh, these are sanderlings. Sanderlings here are on the beach. They're trying to peck out some food between the rocks.
Yeah, they pick and probe for tawny prey in the wet sand left by receding waves.
After foraging on the beach, they'll regurgitate fragments of mollusks and other shells.
Ew, gross. Ugh. One of the world's most widespread shorebirds. Gnarly!
They go north, the sanderlings. They nest in the Arctic, the sanderlings.
The high Arctic!
No, non-breeding sanderlings hang out at their wintering grounds all year round just to save energy for when they do want to go to the high Arctic.
They're a very black and white bird.
Yeah. They're probably like the most black and white bird. Well, that's the sanderling for ya. Look at that. That's gross. Oh, yeah.
Hey, beautiful scenery. What can make you go better?
Rock and roll! It's the morning! Good morning, world! Check it, guys. We're here at the friggin' beach in Wheatley Harbor.
We're just on the shores of Lake Erie.
Oh, look at that. Some seagulls in the morning.
Yep.
Good morning, John.
Good morning.
Seagulls!
Lots of gulls!
I can't hear you.
This is a common turn!
Common turns are really common.
All over the place! Take note of the orange legs!
Black tip bill.
And of course, the black cap!
The orange legs. Now we got a ruddy turnstone.
The Ruddy
Turnstone!
Da-da-da-da.
Ruddy turnstones names come from the fact that they turn over rocks to get the food that's underneath the gross shit.
Yeah, I think these are probably my potentially favorite looking shorebirds. They're just so wacky and crazy looking!
If it was a cat, it would be a calico cat, but it's a bird, so it's kind of like a calico bird. Kind of like a calico bird.
Shorebird! Hey, look, a dunlin.
Oh yeah,
Check that breeding plumage out, eh?
male breeding plumage. Right there, you can see the black belly.
Yeah. I like how the bill's kind of long and then it kind of like got that curve there.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, quiet in the back. Oh, look at those legs. They're black as well.
Hey, look, it's a semi-pallated sandpiper.
Semi-palliated sandpiper. It's a pretty basic sandpiper.
Yeah, you see them a lot in large flocks.
Whoa, what's happened now? Dun dun
The car
dun!
broke down. We don't even know if we can get a tow home. We're about 3.5 hours from home. We all work tomorrow.
That birding was your job.
It's my passion.
Do what you love.
So we have about an hour and a half or so to kill.
Yeah.
Until our tow truck shows up for our 3.5 hour tow truck tow.
Don't know what's wrong with the car. Looked it all over. Out of our leagues.
So we checked our maps. We're close to some water, so we're just gonna see if there's some birds there. Maybe have a beer.
I got it.
Eastern towhee!
Eastern towhee's different than the spotted towhee because of its all black back.
And the location on the eastern side of North America.
That is true.
But occasionally the spotteds come over here, and occasionally the easterns go over there.
Oh, there's a peregrine falcon.
Peregrine falcon once, and still is, the fastest bird in North America.
Peregrine falcon is about the size of a crow. They have reached kilometer speeds of over 320. And the peregrine falcon will attack small birds in flight, midair. Wah, wah, wah. So that looks like our car's out of commission.
That's an old Gojo.
Birdmobile will be back later, guys. And so will we.
Cheers.
Yeah, boys! That's the end of the episode. Check us out all the time. Look for more videos.
Yep, subscribe to our channel, like all our videos, share, TheBirdBros.com.
Bing!